Hello everybody, in today's video you'll see a lot of building chicken coop. Mum and Dad building the chicken coop, that is. This should be hopefully the last ever chicken coop though that needs to be built. And you'll also see Dad ordered a gigantic load of bricks because you always need bricks, especially when your house is half falling apart. And your mum also talks about all the sorts of like plants that she's going to be planting in the back garden eventually. She plants some seeds. Otherwise, pretty sure that's the general gist of it. Obviously, more stuff happens, but anyways, I'm just going to leave you to it, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Biscuits.
You made it.
Ozzy? Yeah? Where's the handsaw?
Handsaw.
Oh yeah, you put it back. Yeah.
Where is the handsaw?
I didn't say it like that.
You did. Didn't you?
Not quite as soft, but
But it was there.
a little bit.
Handsaw.
Second one down.
I need one more.
One more. Hey, you did it. Proud of yourself?
Yeah. I'm proud of the idea. Kind of that me and Dad together sort of, came up with the idea how to secure it better.
By putting metal
Maybe we're thinking because you
right there.
You can have this like these, but just one flat piece, and we don't
Yeah.
have them. And it was quite wonky, and I was thinking, well, I had that vision. I found some metal
Sheet.
not sheet, it was just
Strip.
like- yeah, but what I found was actually plastic, and then Dad found that piece of.
Yeah.
So together.
You created it, making it more structural, workable. They're your blades.
So what I'm doing here is pulling out weeds from over here. Not many are really here, and I think in some of the first videos that my sister made, Carolina, I did this before, where I just pulled out weeds. There was a lot more back then. Like, I remember, like, some height, like these, some really big weeds were all around here. It's gotten quite low now, and, yeah, I'm going to do it again.
I'm going back up to make my last stand. I'm gonna dust it off with my own hands. Black blizzard coming, old man keep running.
Hello, it's Editing Carolina here with my tiger. I thought we might be all thinking this, that it looks like there's no grass there, and that Ozzy is not pulling out any weeds. I'm sure he did pull out some weeds, but it does look like there's nothing there to pull out. But I thought I'd still include those clips into the video. But yeah, it looks like there's nothing there, so I don't know. Judge it if you want to. It's okay.
Letting pushed out, thought I heard it so.
Yeah, it looks like there are no weeds there. We're all thinking it, we're all thinking it.
Do what I please, yes sir. I ain't got no things, no money, no means, just a wind in the wings, yes sir. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. No, I won't come down. I used to bounce on knees, fresh from the oven, chubby and carefree. I had a mind at ease. Now I oversee the trees, birds and the beasts and the man and his empty deeds. I see everything. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. I saw the eyes of the maker, heard a rushing sound, caught up in the wheel going round and round, spun like gold from the shining ground. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down.
Friend asked for these, so I should like cherry. Yeah, this is my box of seeds, kind of the main stash. My seeds are otherwise everywhere. Yeah, I have seeds everywhere. Oh. And I keep collecting them. These are my new addition. They are growing really well here, so I thought I will get them because we are in quite high altitude living here, so I need to get as much as I can all the stuff that really grows here. So I wonder how many of my seeds will do well here. Right. I miss some things in England, from England, because for example these I paid so much less in England than I pay here.
Yeah. I said this, but when I went to Greece, you couldn't really even get these there.
So we have 3, 4 types of peppers. So hopefully we will have good peppers, because peppers never really grew that well for me. Oh, somebody actually told me that you are supposed to plant 2 peppers, 2 seeds in one. So I have to do that. Look at that.
Do you?
Apparently they grow better. I don't know.
Oh. Well, I wouldn't know that, would I?
So I'm adding the friend. Meow. Okay, how many people do you think are planting peppers when it's snowing?
I don't know. I don't know if you can really see the snow. Oh yeah, you can see the snow on camera. Yeah, it's snowing. For some reason, it decides to snow today.
Piggies are breaking the pig pen.
Pig pen. Yeah, it was all nice and lovely yesterday. The weather was fine. And now it's grey and it's snowing a bit.
And it's much colder because the sun is not out.
Yeah. The sun was out. It was great yesterday. I want to go have a look at the piggies. Hi. Hi, babies. Hi. Hello. Oh. Hi. You guys look so sweet. Hello. The cats try to steal the pigs' food sometimes, though. Pigs don't let them, though.
And soon we will do
Tomatoes.
Yeah.
So, I'm currently inside editing, but I thought that I would just show it's snowing quite a lot outside, and Mum and Dad are currently working on the chicken coop, so I just wanted to sort of show this a little bit before I continue editing. How's it going?
All right. Yeah.
It's looking pretty good. It's very interesting weather, isn't it, lately?
It is.
Yesterday it was nice and sunny, and now it's snowing.
Just like, 5 minutes ago it was sun shining as well.
They're huge.
It's beautiful.
Like, just giant piles of snow. But, yep, just thought I'd film this before I continue editing. that is all that was filmed on that day. Nothing else. Mum did some planting and it snowed. Did a little bit of work on the chicken coop, which I didn't film because I was doing some other things. It was a very quiet day, but yeah. That's everything. On to the next day. Hi.
Hi.
I haven't come in to record yet because I was doing all the dishes. How's it going?
Slowly.
Slowly? I mean, I know you've already told me, but do you mind explaining to the camera what you're doing?
Yeah. I'm trying to reach the water pipe that's beneath the thick waste pipe and figure out where to cut it so we can plug a T-piece into it and get connected to the kitchen. And it's just so low and hard to uncover because obviously I don't want to make a hole, particularly in the waste pipe, which is quite brittle. So it's a slow process.
And that is a day in the life of this family. It's like slow and it's like one person doing this, one person doing this, one person doing this, and then there's me that's just walking around doing stuff. I'm like filming sometimes, or I'll be in the kitchen doing something, and then once I'm done I'll walk over to someone and be like, hey, what are you doing? Explain what you're doing to the camera. That's me. But anyways, I don't think I'm gonna show you this, but yeah, I'm about to vacuum upstairs because it gets messy up there pretty easily. But yeah, just thought I'd share that for whoever who doesn't know. I just wanted to explain a little bit why we got the bricks. There's quite a lot of reasons. Down in the hallway, in the big room that is being dug up, there's like a huge doorway, and right next to the doorway there's a room that has like a half of the wall is taken down, and it needs to be repaired. Loads of things in the house need to be repaired. So yeah. Also, the bricks remind me of Wall-E when he makes the little cube of junk. It reminds me of that. You're not actually going to carry that in, are you? That's not heavy.
It's not light, but it's not too heavy.
you gonna get it through the doorway? So you're going to unwrap it here?
No? Takže když si zalepíš ten spodek, tak máš krabici. Ten vršek. Tak a Kája to udělá, ten polystyren.
Is that so?
Že to asi nevíde.
Jde. Dobrý.
No právě.
It's on wheels.
It has got wheels, but I really doubt.
They spin.
Oh yeah, they spin. They spin.
I don't know if anyone's ever actually seen how much stuff we have in here. This is a lot of food and then like extra boxes of like all
Well,
of
the
our
kids'
things.
boxes.
The kids' boxes. So there's like books. I have some like crafty things in there. All sorts of things really. And then lots of jam jars. I was gonna say, I feel like a lot of people are gonna ask why we have a new freezer. But then again, do they really need to ask? I mean, why not have another
It's obvious
freezer?
If you have animals for meat, then
Yeah, you
store it
need
somewhere.
you need a big freezer to be able to store
Very few
everything.
people have such a small freezer like the one we got.
Look.
Wow, that is luxurious looking.
It's almost industrial.
Wow.
Right.
Beautiful.
Right, well I'm gonna go back outside and continue scraping stickers off of the caravan.
Enjoy scraping stickers.
I will.
So, with this beautiful garden, we bought as well not so beautiful parts. Like, you can show them this horrible pile of all sorts of rubbish. Still usable wood. Like these old long sort of planks, which I think are fine for making borders of the slightly raised beds. So because as much as I'm happy with what I did, because it's kind of like rather heap, it makes the planting space smaller because it's coming all like that, so I will be planting just on the top. But if I make these little walls, that it looks a little bit neater, but obviously I can move the soil to the edges and I have the planting space a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm doing. So what I do is that I will put the plank something like this, okay?
Yep.
And I make these pegs,
Yep.
and I like this.
So you like put it along, and then
Yeah.
you put one here and here,
Yeah.
and you also then add another one.
Yes.
Like
So both
Like-
pegs hold both pieces, so they're overlapping a little bit.
It looks really good.
It's still wonky, but
Still, I think it looks great.
and we know and love is here. You're quite dark, but still. You're here.
I was gonna ask whether or not you want me to cook dinner today.
Yeah, but what?
I was just thinking I would make some sort of soup.
Yeah, I was thinking soup as well, but you wanted pasta.
I think I'll just do some soup today. You know, and stuff.
I hope it's still on.
Rewind. It is still recording.
When I'm walking on a breeze, I got no enemies. I just do what I please. Yes, sir. I ain't got no things, no money, no means. Just a wind in the wings. Yes, sir. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. No, I won't come down. I used to bounce on knees, fresh from the oven, chubby and carefree. I had a mind at ease. Now I oversee the trees, birds and the beasts and the man and his empty deeds. I see everything. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down.
Dad's turning on the electricity. And it's on. It's on. And now, Mum, you have to do like a front flip over the electric fence. Wonder when they'll come out though. It's gonna be a waiting game. I wonder when they'll come out. Oh my god, he's gone. Dad was just digging in here and now he's gone. Look at that. He's made an L shape. Great. Boom! I didn't get you. Oh, I thought I was gonna get you then.
I knew there was someone here.
How come? Because of the cat.
Yeah.
I thought you might suspect that. I heard you like, I can't let you in there. And I was like, oh, he's giving me away, isn't he? I was just saying that you've made an L shape.
Whoa!
No, it's an art project.
What?
It's like an art project. You're
Art
just
project.
digging in the dirt,
that
making
counts.
an L shape. Because you're a loser. Where's Willow? That little cheat that gave me away. There he is. Gave me away.
Druhou ledničku, co je venku.
One piggy is
Ty
out.
kostry těchto, co máme vzedu. A co je tady ještě?
Ahoy! Aww. I love how they're like always wagging their tail.
The first one to go in there with a pig.
Nothing. Pippin! Don't scare the pigs. I think Pippin might have been a bit scared for Ozzy or something. Pippin! Sit back! They're literally your size. Dad and Alfred took a bunch of boilers that we had lying around and a random fridge that was broken to the skipyard, and apparently this bike was at the skipyard and they bought it for like really cheap, 50 crowns, which is great. Got a new bike. The biggie. Oh,
Do you have any more?
he's the biggie.
He's gonna touch it!
Pippin's freaking out.
He was like, oh damn.
Pippin.
Pippin.
Pippin, be careful though.
Pippin just loves any animal.
Well, he's just nervous.
I don't think he's nervous.
I think he is nervous.
He's like, whoa.
I think he's nervous because, well, he was definitely nervous before when I tried to introduce him. He did not like it at all. He was terrified of Mila the first time you met her, and now look at her just there licking herself. Now they cuddle together. He was just so scared of her before.
Pippin, Pippin, Pippin.
Because he is trying to play.
Pippin.
Yeah, he can tell. Pippin definitely can tell.
They come up here much more.
Pippin!
He stuck his nose through it just then.
Hello, so it is a little bit later in the day. Me and Ozzy did go on a bit of a bike ride, and the pigs are just chilling. Honestly, they're not as crazy as we thought they were going to be. We were a bit worried they were going to be like charging into the fence and stuff, but they're quite relaxed, and Pippin really wants to be best friends with them. But we're trying to just let them get used to their enclosure first before we let Pippin sort of meet them a bit more. But Alfred and Dad, if you know, Dad is digging up in the huge room because there's the water pipe there, and he's trying to hook up a pipe and a separate pipe to that so that it will lead to the sink we have in the kitchen. So I'm pretty sure that's what they're doing right now, Dad and Alfred, and as soon as I'm done doing this, then I will go film what they're doing. How's it going?
Alright.
So you've cut a pipe
Yeah.
and you're going to add a T shape to it,
Yeah.
which will then go.
That too, yeah. It'll go here and also here.
Oh right, because we're gonna have the kitchen there
Yeah.
in the future. So smart.
Mhm.
Dva, tři, čtyři, pět, šest.
That actually went quite well.
I actually thought that went really well.
Hey, we did it though.
It
That's
always
the hard part.
looks really stressful, but you did a very good job, I think. Wow, that cuts it like butter.
Like butter.
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 5, 6.
It is pretty exciting to think that
There will be water.
there will be water and there will be a kitchen here one day. Very exciting. One day, don't know when, but it will happen.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hi. So Alfred and Dad are currently burning some of the excess wood that we have lying around here and dry weeds and stuff. And Mum, I think, is making another plot. Do you call these plots? Patch. Garden patch. Yeah. I really like the idea that you had about with the wood. Again. This is going to be a slightly strange way to finish the video, because yes, the video is slowly closing now, but one thing I did not manage to show, and it's unbelievable that I didn't manage to show this, I think my dad will be screaming at me that when he finds out that I didn't record this, but when Alfred and Dad were doing the plumbing, they did actually get water into the kitchen, and we have water in the kitchen now. I really apologize that I didn't film that or anything. I just never got around to it. I'm pretty sure on that day, me and Mum were like trying to rush to go somewhere. Anyways, we finally have running water in the kitchen, which is crazy to think of how long it took to get to this part. The sink, well, the tap is not the best tap in the world, but you know, we have running water in the kitchen. That's exciting. Otherwise, yes, this video is now going to finish. I'm gonna do the little end card bit where I thank all the people, all the lovely people that sent me some things. And yeah, that's it. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Before, but never with you. Your mind is not where your heart is, but let me tell you, you're gonna be alright. It's not a wish, it's a promise. It's a different kind of lonely, it's a different kind of sad, 'cause we got no more if only, and we stopped feeling bad. It's a different kind of sadness, it's a different kind of